समन्स मेळ्ळ्या उपरांत आदलो प्रिन्सिपल मायन्स सेक्रेटरी राजीव यदुवंशी शुक्रारा SIT मायन्सा मुखार चवकशेक हाजीर जालो। ताणें कायदो मोडून मायनिंग लीज रिन्युवलाचे डिले कंडोन केल्यात म्हूण सुत्रां सांगतात। शेनवारा आनी सोमाराय ताची चवकशी जातली। यदुवंशीक अटक जावंक शकना अशें ना।
Mr. Yaduvanshi has been called for questioning as far as his role as mining secretary from 2006 to 2011 when he was posted here in Goa. As of now, the questioning is still being continued, and it will in other cases and in other condemnation, illegal condemnation files. We have again called him tomorrow and also on Monday. So the questioning will continue for next few days. As of now, I cannot comment on exactly what is he saying or what is the progress as far as the interrogation is concerned. As and when the IO decides, it's his discretion. But we have again summoned him.
Maybe arrest him?
I cannot comment on this.
जिओलॉजिस्ट रामनाथ शेटगांवकाराच्या जामीन अर्जाचेर शुक्रारा सुनावणी जाली। SITन आर्ग्युमेंट घालो तो असो। रामनाथ शेटगांवकारान सुमार 100 मायनिंग सायटींचे इन्स्पेक्शन केले। थंय बेकायदेशीर मायनिंग चलतालें। चडशा बेकायदेशीर मायनिंग प्रकरणात शेटगांवकारान गुन्यांवकारी कारवाय करपाची शिफारस करपाची सोडून पेनाल्टीची शिफारस केल्या। आयर्न ओर ट्रेडर इम्रान खानाक सांग्यार कुरप्या बेकायदेशीर मायनिंगाक शेटगांवकारान आदार केल्लो। रामनाथ शेटगांवकारान इन्स्पेक्शन केल्ले सायटींची म्हायती आशिल्ली फायल लिपोवन दवरल्या म्हूण SITचो दावो।
They don't show that these files had to be in my custody. They don't show that at all. It's a government office. There are hundreds of workers. There are hundreds of employees. And if some file goes missing, it does not mean that the needle of suspicion should be on me because I have handled the file at one point of time. Plus, let us take this very argument to its logical conclusions. They know the result of what happened in that file. They know, they themselves say that I have recommended only recovery. So the end result of whatever that happened in the file was recovery.
कोर्टात आर्ग्युमेंट चालू असताना SITन शेटगांवकाराक ताच्या ऑफिसांत व्हरून मिसिंग फायली सोदल्यो। SITक कांय फायली मेळ्ळ्यात म्हूण सुत्रां सांगतात। शेटगांवकाराच्या जामीन अर्जाचेर सोमारा निकाल जातलो।
The case of the prosecution seems to be that I, being an assistant geologist, I should have initiated criminal prosecution against all those mine owners who are alleged to have been doing illegal mining. But that is not the position in law because it is not within my powers to lodge prosecution. It's at the highest I put my notings to the higher ups, and it is for the higher ups to decide whether they will lodge prosecution or they will want to recover money. As far as I am concerned, I had given opinion that the money has to be recovered, plus royalty 10 times the original price has to be recovered from me. My higher up could have decided that they will not initiate that kind of a proceeding but would want to lodge criminal prosecution. So according to us, I have no role in this conspiracy whatsoever. My role was very limited and I have acted within the parameters of my official duties. The director, Mr. Prasanna Acharya, who is the complainant in this criminal case 13 of 15, himself has accepted those recommendations and has ordered the recovery of money rather than prosecution. So how can I be faulted with this?
So the charges leveled against you, you want to say that it was Prasanna Acharya to take call about those things?
Exactly. It was the higher up. In the case of mine department, the highest officer there is the director of mines. He had to take a call. My job as an assistant geologist is only to make my notings and put before the director whatever I feel is appropriate in the case. My director has got all the powers to overrule me and say that I am wrong and initiate whatever else that he wants to do.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार, विजय तुळशीदास च्यारी आणि तुकाराम मराठे।